Hello everyone. You will not following us into a second round of 40 scheduled but chair and civil war which will undoubtedly result in the massive bloodshed and change that you so desperately seek. To call it criticizing genocide and not the genocide of El Nazarist better way the fact that you have an evil agenda and not so hidden motive. If you want to talk about genocide in Nigeria, then talk about the genocide of El Nigeria. Bold Christian and Muslim L the hands of a group of Bill and incurably trist who are truly evil and who represent unfair. You will incline I say the flowing. Let us hope have the we learn from their lessons. As they say, beware of the Greek when they bring gift and deciment. Try learned the hard way. We need to tread very careful indeed, and we need to harness the motivational of the American and view with the utmost suspense their newfound love for our Christian popular. You cannot love us more than we love outside. You are part of the problem, are not the solution. Stop misreporting our story, label our country alone, and stop trying to provoke chairs and ignore at religious where you are beating of more than you can chew, and the consecution of your bills and irresponsible behavior and your mean desires categories and chair stone of NCCAC will ultimately affect America vital and strongly interest not just in Nigeria but in the inter-West African sub-regions which remains out backward and firmly under the spear or the influence. Stand warned Senator Ted Cruz and his colleagues and competition insulated Rep. Chris Smith, who has called on President Donald Trump to arm Christian communities in Nigeria and to bomb Muslim on rap really more who has alleged the Nigeria in the deadliest place on earth for Christian and arted Trump to design our nation as a country of particular concern. Senator Macro Rubel, who has been supporting L3 in their nefarious in debates and who has blacked more strongly in his quick to ensure that our country is formally designated as one of content and L the other members of the mishaps, misguided and misinformed cables of inky, prudence and conjurers of fault stand warned. You will not plunge us into a second round of particular but cherry and civil war which will indubitably result in the massive bloodshed and change that you so desperately expect. No matter how hard you try, you see not debate or destroy US to cold or disturb it is any other way as a consequence of ignorance or mischief is most unhelpful and downright dangerous and cold, ignite a full sales religious where the like the world has never witnessed. I repeat, for the purpose of impress that what we are witnessed in Nigeria is not a genocide against Muslim or a genocide against Christians, but a genocide against USAL. They will out Christian communities take their land, enslave their women and credent and descent and burn down their children, and they mete out presently the same treatment to our Muslim competence Muslim communities and mosque as well. Broad fight have suffered immeasurably in Negri over the yard, and member of Bad Fit have been subject to genocide. There are over 120 million Christians in Nigeria, and there can be no denying in fact that they have suffered immensely over the year in the heart of Christianity. It's it three cheer Christians are growing kids in large number in Nigeria, but it is not true to say what Muslims are not being killed to equal members. You are part of the problem and not the solution. We are Christian or Muslim. We are first and foremost Nigerians, and tree is not a division between us on a regular line. By the power of God, the great, and in the name of the ancients of day and the Lord of hosts, we soul save and deliver outsider from the modern dissipated and homicide barbarians that are but cheering out people and the have afflicted out land, and we shall project both the Christian and Muslim in our country that are being stoned on a daily basis by the Jesuit hardness from murder and the Western Beckett tools of Swap and Book Hunt. We do not need a misguided and mischievous skinned regulars, zealot and deluded winnably missing from text to save us. The tree is we do not need a misguided and mischievous right, skinned regulars, zealot and deluded winnably missing from text to save us. I am glad to the Christian Association of Nigeria Sen has regally poured a line to the absurd and dangerous nation the what we are witnessed in our country in Christian gene code, and have finally aligned. The matter is reached. That is the point that is launched on our wicked Christians and tree supporter in Nigeria, and I am glad that a association of Nigerian has regularly plot a line to the absurd and dangerous nation that what we witnessed in our country is Christian genocide, and have finally line the matter to rest. Their attacks are not against Christian alone, but again the Negard state and again men, women and children of all faith, both Muslim and Christian are said began massacred by trees, some noted stones and save eaters. Meters today at our armed force are engaging them in the field of battle and killing them in greater number than ever before. The defeated here tones in that facility messages were populated by non-state stored and saved eternity militarized and certainly not by our security again, and certainly the some group communicated smaller authorities again Muslim communities to entry in our religious group in our country has the right and legitimate reason to complain to the world what they have been singled out from elimination by the state in the last 20 year. It is the Shia Muslim who have suffered mass murder in the hand of both Muslim and Christian leaders. This tribally incident occurred in Zira, Cardina States in December 2050. 8 year before the institution of the team admissions and under the watch of the private chair of army staff General Tukab Baruti articling to my recollection it was only on assertion that the Nigerian Aman specifically targeting and killed over 100 negation in on they simply basis the blockade a road and a account of traffic and the victim were not Christian but rather same Muslim and member of the Islam movement of Nigeria. It is a Christian that had most of three insulated that are doing so debate it and neither had it happened who is our armed forest and security and intelligence against put the trigger on the Christian and who gave the orders for him to be singled out for Jane code whilst that Muslim are left unshared and intruted as a matter of fact in sound utterly absurd under source circumstances the change of Christian gen code and that Nigeria is the most dangerous place in the world of Christian to live seems hardly sustainable. He against Christian gen code in a country whose federal government on assumption of office 2 years again remove the great injustice that existed for the previous 8 years in which every single head of our 70 security and intelligence agency and every single opportunity head of our armed forces who a northern Muslim he alleges Christian gen code in a country where is sentenced president the society to the federal government and the national chairman of the ruling party the Christian he LG Christian gen code in a country where every single government found the south and a good number of government from the north central gen are Christian. He alleges Christian gen code in a country which president has a wife that is not only a Christian but also pastor. He alleges Christian gen code in a country where the chief of defense staff, the chief of army staff, the chief of navy staff, the chief of defense intelligence of inspector general of police, the director general of the DC, the chairman of the IFEC, the comptroller general of immigration, and so many more head of our security. An Israel lobbying gen code enabling Muslim hunting gens pampering and Gaza saluting in Hell Bellew, who supported Coral leopard land resource extermination, bigoted against Billy led a Grambelly child killing round party and diluted apartheid state with a L conquering colonial mentality and who has nothing but contempt of Arab essence of and African whether Christian or Muslim is telling us that we will help to solve our problem and save the Christian popular in Nigeria. He is a Alpines sponsored village idiot and a son's fool who say he wants to save Nigeria Christians from what he had distributed as Christian Gen Code Wills, three other namely House of Reputablist member Congressman really more House of Reputable member Congressman chairs Sam and America Society of State Center Matt's review are his happy cheerleaders American seats Ted Cruz in the joke of the century a